So this is the correct way to mount a hook in the vise. The hook should be in the jaws at the heel of the hook. The barb and the point should be out, not hidden in the jaws, and the hook shank should be horizontal. Now, just so you get a basic anatomy of a hook, what we have is the eye. Now this can be on fly hooks, it can be downward like this one, it can be straight so the eye is pointing straight out, or it can be up, pointing upwards like that. The area from just behind the eye to where the bend starts is the shank. From where the shank finishes, where the hook curves, is the bend. You have the point, the barb, the distance between the hook point and the shank is the gape or the gap, and the distance from the bend to the end of the eye is the overall hook length, and the distance from the inner bend to the point is the throat or the bite.